Namaskaram. The cooking videos that we are posting are our very own recipes straight from our home kitchen. Hope you are enjoying them. జీవితంలో గడిచిపోయే క్షణాలు మళ్ళీ రావు. ఆ భావాన్ని చెప్పే చిన్న కవిత ఇది. క్షణం గడిస్తే గతం, రాదు మళ్ళీ చేసినా తపం, నెరవేరాలంటే స్వప్నం, కోరకు విరామం, జయం నిశ్చయం. Welcome back to Chakani Vantilu. Our today's yummy recipe is Chickpeas Curd Pulusu. Let's get started with a smile. Let's look at the main ingredients. Chickpeas, ½ cup, fresh curd, 2 cups, bengal gram flour, ¼ cup, green chillies, 4. We also need these ingredients: turmeric powder, ½ tablespoon, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon, dhania powder, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, curry leaves, and oil as needed. Transfer the soaked chickpeas to a pot, add water, and boil until they are soft. Take a bowl and add curd, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, dhania powder, and bengal gram flour. Mix it well into a smooth mixture without any lumps. Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and chopped green chillies, and fry them. Now add the boiled chickpeas and the curd mixture and pour little water, let it boil into thick gravy. Add a little water and mix well. The Chickpea Curd Pulusu is ready. Serve hot with rice. Wow, yummy dish! Please try it at home. And do comment how you felt about the taste. We will be back again with one more interesting dish.